we recommend that you watch the movie before watching our episodes.
Hi guys, here we are back again with yet another perspective with Swati Deepak and me, Hema Subramanian, the co-writers, authors, creators of the book Three Coffee States Later. And last week we were discussing a very quirky and interesting movie called Naram Garam. And here we are yet again with another very significant concept based on the same movie. Last time we'd spoken about all the lies in the movie that Ram Prasad as a character, includes to get out of sticky situations in his life. And we also touched upon the fact that Bhavani Shankar gets very lost after the death of his wife. Like even after 12 years after his wife passed away, he feels a great deal of vacuum. Very interestingly, the female characters in the movie are shown in a very typical stereotype, of very feminine stereotype, and the heroine, the actress Swaroop Sampath. If you guys do not know, Swaroop Sampath has been Miss India Universe, one of the prettiest ladies in the world back in the 80s. She's also married to the famous actor Mr. Paresh Rawal, and you must have seen her recently in movies like Ki and Ka and also Uri, right? So she's held her stance. She's held her stance in the film space. But in this movie, she's shown to be a very typical homemaker who kind of gets in a lot of feminine grace and makes any place into a home. So, what's your take on the masculine and the feminine stereotypes shown in the movie?
When I was watching the movie, I was trying to see the depiction of women that they have shown, and what I saw is that they were also looking at the women from the lens of the man. So the chemistry and the games were between the men. The women were incidental to the whole movement. So the resolution needed to happen between Ram Prasad and Bhavani Shankar. The resolution didn't need to happen with Kusum, right? Yeah, Sumi. Sumi was this little central character as to, the childlikeness that she brings to the picture. And the only feminine energy which is distant, the childlike energy that we're talking about. So the simplicity of a male mind, I think with every character they are able to pick it up beautifully as to how they are looking at the woman, right? So let us look at starting point with Kusum's father. A very helpless man, having lost the money because of his wife's illness, and now has a son who's not doing his son's duties apparently, and वो कुसुम की अब उसको शादी करनी है, हाँ, एंड उस जमाने के हिसाब से ठीक है, डायलॉग्स आप थोड़ा एक्सक्यूज करते हैं. आजकल के बच्चों को अगर ये बोलेंगे कि कुंवारी लड़की गले के हड्डी, हाँ, वो सब नहीं चलेगा. बट उस जमाने के हिसाब से अगर देखें तो इट वर्क्स आउट ब्यूटिफुली कि हाँ ठीक है, उनका एक ही फोकस है कि बेटी की शादी हो जानी है एंड अपना बुढ़ापा मैं कहीं भी निकाल लूंगा. सो जब तक वो मेरे साथ है, आई नीड टू हैव अ सिक्योर प्लेस टू वर्क विद. जहां हम लोग गजानंद की अगर बात करते हैं तो the first guy who goes to see the house.
Correct. He's also related somewhere to Bhavani Shankar.
Yes. तो उसके लिए it is shown with the lens of lust. So they actually have one shot with the back of Kusum without clothes while she's walking ahead of Gajanan.
He's following her from the river or something.
Yes, all the way to the house. So there is that little lustful eyes as to I would want a woman in my life, but it comes from that position of satisfaction for sexual needs. Then when you talk about Babua, he would really be in awe of women. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Hamari Ma, Dadiyan, Rani Padmini. So that whole thing about the strength and the power of a woman, that, ki maybe you're not looking out for the gentleness. You're looking out for the Parvati, ya Kali, ya us tarike ka roop.
Somebody who's strong.
Yes, extremely strong, with their head on their shoulders, standing on their own feet, kind of a thing. When we are talking about Bhavani Shankar, again, it's a very tricky situation. For him, first time he is alone with Kusum, वो बोलता है बेटी. And then he realizes, oh my God, no, this is something wrong, because he's been corrupted by पंडित जी। सिंह का अक्षर से जो लड़की आएगी आपको उससे शादी करनी है, और वो पंडित जी ने अपनी वाइफ को इंट्रोड्यूस करके भी बोला दैट आदमी की उम्र का क्या है, औरत की उम्र का एक वो है। सो व्हाइल ही, बिकॉज उसके 12 साल से वाइफ नहीं है, ही हैज सीन अ वुमन ओनली इन 2 ways। वन इज नानी, यानी उनकी मदर इन लॉ, and one is daughter. So for him to reintroduce the concept of romance, that whole thing is also very cutely, I don't know what to call it, when he fantasizes about the Suhagrat, and he ends up biting her finger when, and she's like, aap bahut naughty hai, kind of a thing. So he's trying to imagine a woman in another form now. वरना उनकी जिंदगी में 2 ही फॉर्म रह गए हैं, एक सास का और एक डॉटर का, राइट? सो द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म। फॉर बिरजू यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 women in his life again, एक उसकी छोटी बहन जिसकी शादी करनी है, एंड जो उसके पिता को चाहिए कि यहाँ रहकर कुछ कर कर वो पैसा कमाए, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से दूर नहीं है, बट वो नाटक करके पैसा कमाना चाहता है, and finally taking the responsibility of this woman. But he then comes across an independent woman, Ratna. Okay, so she's the only female character who's been shown as the provider. कि जब मैं एक खराब शादी से बचकर वापस भाग कर आई तो पिताजी और छोटे भाई बहनों का दुख देखा नहीं गया, तो फिर उसने नाटक करना चालू किया, and she also believed she's not in a happy place. And वो concept to come back and say if the woman becomes the provider, all she can be is unhappy. तो वो constantly drink करती है। तो in a man's mind, what a woman is looking for is the concept of the household, is the concept of making something beautiful. So they use the stereotypes not because that's how, if अगर आप बात करेंगे खूबसूरत के अंदर उस तरीके के स्टीरियोटाइप पे नहीं वर्क किया था उन्होंने, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म बिकॉज लेंस चेंज एंड कम्युनिकेशन मेन का है, तो इस वजह से दे हैड यूज्ड दैट पर्टिकुलर लेंस ऑफ गिविंग ओनली वन कैरेक्टर टू ईच वुमन rather than the complexity of everything being in one person. So I think that way the lens from which the movie would have been written was very clear, the simplicity of a man's mind.
I think one other thing now that you pointed out, all these men are stuck in their own ways.
Yeah.
Right? Bharani Shankar is stuck because after his wife's death, he doesn't know how to live his life. So then he moves towards astrology and believing all of that. Kali Shankar is now shut off to the entire. He's also conflicted whether to get married, not to get married. वो अपने इसको पूछता है, आप पता नहीं कौन सा जवाब दूँ जिसमें मार नहीं पड़ेगी. So he's also conflicted about the ideal woman. And आजकल ऐसी औरतें बनती कहाँ हैं?
Yeah.
Kind of a thing. Ram Prasad is stuck in his own ways because he's stuck. He loves Kusum, but he does not have the courage, or he feels not ready for a relationship. He wants her, yet I cannot see you getting married to somebody else. So he's also stuck. So a lot of stuck energies are being resolved by one woman, a feminine character.
Yes. Yes.
That's a very interesting concept, I thought.
Yes. So I think let us look at it, and that's why I'm saying it's a more man's movie rather than the women journeys in that particular film. So अगर अपन लोग काली शंकर से चालू करते हैं, बबुआ से चालू करते हैं, उसके दिमाग में एक आइडियल है, ओके, आइडियल विद रेफरेंस टू वैल्यूज ऑल्सो, ओके। तो औरत की हमेशा इज्जत करनी चाहिए, तो देयर इज दिस वन सीन वेयर ही इज बीटिंग अप saying ki he's beating up Ravan. At the same time, one of the boys that work for him, he's beating him up, saying तूने औरत पे हाथ कैसे उठाया? And then he says, पर पहले हाथ तो मेरी बीवी ने मुझ पे उठाया था. बोले whatever that is, लेकिन आप औरत के ऊपर हाथ नहीं उठा सकते हो. So that concept of again the gentleness. So उसके लिए तो और भी डिस्टेंस हो जाता है नानी का कैरेक्टर, उसके बड़े भाई की सास है, but he's also grown up with those two concepts only. नानी अथॉरिटेरियन फिगर, वो आएंगी तो हम हुड़दंग कैसे करेंगे, Okay, and Sumi, जिसको उनको प्यार करना है, अमरूद खिलाना है, and I think Gulzar Saab has done such a beautiful job of the simplicity of the song. एक बात सुनी है चाचा जी बतलाने वाली है, which talks about Kali's character so beautifully well, saying कि he has conflicts. Okay, she's going to be a bulldozer and she's going to kind of boss over me and hukum chalaegi, and I'm used to the hukum chalana, but I want somebody as strong as jo hukum chalaegi.
Correct.
And Sumi has such simple solutions. Aloo gobi bane to kehna gobi aloo de, saying you can figure this out, so don't worry about it. And his issues with authority.
So
he cannot
here
speak in front of Bhavani at all.
Is a solution for all the commitment phobic men here. You can
Aloo gobi
just
bane
change
to.
the perspective, and I think marriage can become like a very easy decision for you guys to make, right?
Right. So I think commitment phobia can come across as a reference to Kali in that manner. So he needed to look at wanting strong characters in his life. Of course, we're talking more about women that he wants, but having strong characters in his life. जिस तरीके से वो भवानी से डरता है, या जिस तरीके से he really looks up to his brother, but he doesn't feel the freedom of being a man himself in front of the brother, right? So of course they didn't end up showing too much resolution. तो शादी वाले टाइम पे बबुआ was not even part of that whole mechanism, so it is not his story to carry forward, but basically that thing of I need strong figures but I'm scared of authority.
Right.
That is where he was very stuck. अगर हम भवानी की बात करें तो वहीं एक चीज आ जाती है कि he is so dedicated as a husband that even 12 years after his wife has gone, वो जो चाह रहे हैं is reunion with the wife.
Right.
अगर उनको करप्ट नहीं किया जाता पंडित के थ्रू, क्योंकि पंडित को किसी और से पैसा कमाना था तो वो शादी करवानी थी, अगर वो करप्शन नहीं होता, he would have been very easily be able to look at Kusum as that child.
Or be content as a widower.
Or be content as a widower by having won that koti. Because वो कोठी भी अपने दादाजी की कोठी थी. It wasn't his own aspiration to have done that. So he was a very family molded man. And because वो बीवी नहीं होने की वजह से family complete नहीं है, तो कहीं एक जिंदगी ठहर जाना, and that's where addictions begin. तो उनका addiction ended up becoming astrology. So the way to hold on to pain, the way to hold on to that loneliness, he's not able to make his daughter a part of his life. The daughter is wanting very much to do that, but उनकी जिंदगी वहां पे रुक जाती है, right? And Ram Prasad का भी अगर आप देखें, again the simplicity of a man, how frustration works for them. He wants to make Kusum happy, but when he's seeing so many challenges come, he also ends up taunting her quite a lot, right? तुमको इतना खूबसूरत होने की क्या जरूरत थी, अब वो तुम्हारे पीछे लट्टू हो गया, अब मैं क्या करूं अगर now this is happening with their life. So we recognize कि a lot of times when frustration निकलता है, it's never कि सामने वाला आपको frustrate करता है. आपको शादियों में ये बोल देते हैं तुम्हारी वजह से I'm frustrated. But Ram Prasad is that representation of how this is his fight with the world. 50 रुपए तो पिताजी का कर्जा चुकाने में चले जाते हैं, and I don't have a place in the world, so I cannot add anything or I cannot make anybody's life beautiful. Now that contrasting to the feminine energy, Kusum is not bringing anything to the picture. She's not having the money, she's not having the dahej which would come to Ram Prasad, but उसका रुमाल छूट गया तो उसको खूबसूरत बना दिया. ये simpleness की without resources, what is the little that we can do? वो सोच राम प्रसाद नहीं लेकर आ पाता है.
Also, then again, a big learning here that it doesn't probably need bigger things to make life beautiful. Sometimes your relationships can be made as beautiful as it can by just a rumal, or an embroidery on a rumal.
Yes, but वही, like we are saying, this movie was more stereotyping men than women.
Right.
That need to come back and say the financial responsibility is theirs. वो again, जमाना भी वैसा था. We are not taking away from that thought, but अगर हम देखेंगे आज के जमाने में the women have moved from that position.
Right.
We have double income families a lot more. But yet the pressure to feel that I'm the primary earning member, you're getting resources, you're finding solutions
Right.
is my job. So he would not take Kusum's advice. तुम्हें क्या लगता है क्या करना है?
Hmm.
He makes her part of his drama.
Right. So here, तुम्हें क्या लगता है क्या करना है? Is again a very interesting scene shown in the movie Shubh Mangal Savdhan, where they got a call of the wedding. He wanted to call off the wedding. He
Erectile dysfunction की वजह से.
Right. So he calls for a meeting and he wants to reveal that to her, and he orders a cappuccino and
The heroine
the
says-
heroine says, you didn't even ask me what I want, right? And Kusum is not shown to be that. Nobody's asking her what she wants, right? And you're absolutely right. It's been 40 odd years and times have changed. So today, the way the dynamics that used to happen earlier, used to exist earlier, are not the same anymore,
Yes.
right? Today, the love language has changed. The way people expect to communicate also has changed. And so I think we'll take a step back and we'll talk about the love language of or whatever expression or communication styles of all of these characters.
Yeah, so we can take that up in the next session, and love language can be a whole different thing.
Sure.
This one can be looked at as it's a male centric movie
Right.
where you're talking about how they are looking at the world, conflict with the outside world,
Yeah.
and the women are part of their drama.
Right.
It's not the women have a role to play to that,
Correct.
right? They are in addition to what's happening in their mind.
One of these movies where women are not the cause of drama, but they are a part of the male's drama. So over once we can talk about drama kings and drama queens here. So I think it's very beautifully summed up. And we'll catch you in the next session with
Love language.
love language, on yet another perspective. Meanwhile, like, subscribe, and share. And buy our book, Free Coffee Stains Later.
Thank you.
Bye.